In today's video, I like to show you two ways to customize your pivot table field list settings to make it nicer for you to work with in Excel. The first thing that I like to do, of course, is to click on the pivot table to enable the pivot table fields. And then if you select this gear icon button and pick the second section from over here, fields section and area section side by side. This will ensure that this is set up as a 2-column layout, and then you can drag items from the left to the right easier, and you're able to customize your pivot table in a nicer way as opposed to having to drag these fields down. This is one way to customize it. The second way that I wanted to show you is notice how these fields in here are in the order of the data source, meaning city, department, and so on. And sometimes if you have a lot of fields, it's hard to find a specific field because you're not sure of its place within all of the values. So what I like to do is to click on the gear icon and sort A to Z. And when I do that, I know that all my items have been sorted alphabetically. And if I need something, I know that I need to scroll up or down. So this is how to do it. These are two ways to customize your pivot table field list settings just to make it nicer for you to work with pivot tables in Microsoft Excel. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you very much.